Just a little Crown Vic update. I recently had added these lights, some LED pods, and I just wired in right for the grill. Just had them laying around, figured to put them on. And I also bed line the entire side. Just did all run that body line down, and I did inside the doors. Just inside the doors, all around the rock panel. But looks pretty good. Next thing I plan on doing is I got some things to add on to my roof rack. I've got a high lift jack that I'm gonna be mounting on to it soon, and we put my spare tire up there most likely, and as well as my shovel I have for it. And I'd also like to find a way to mount some sort of bracket on the back bumper, like attached to a crash bar. It uses a tow point for I were stuck in a situation like that. But other than that, not much has changed. Just gonna repaint the wheels too when the winter's over. That's about it. And if you're here for the Focus, I did sell my Focus and I bought something new. Gonna be doing an update video on that as well. Just haven't had time to do it, but I think you'll like that. It's another new project. Thanks for watching.